I tell you what, man, there's just nothing better than sailing off the hook. I say it every time. I know I'm a broken record, but if we play our cards right today, we'll be able to sail off and on to the hook. And that is just, doesn't get better than that. We got Isla Coronado really right off our bow. It's gonna be a beautiful beam reach sail today. Sails are full, we're moving at 3 knots and life is good. I'm gonna go drink my coffee.
We sailed into an empty anchorage, which meant one thing. We had dibs on laying our anchor in the best spot before Kessel and Amua got there. Isla Coronados is already layered with some of my favorite memories from last season, so returning felt like being welcomed back by an old friend. As soon as his anchor set, Peter came to kidnap Chris for a foil around the anchorage, giving me major deja vu of the year prior, and quite the show. Eventually, they tired themselves out and traded Peter's dinghy in for ours to kick back and sail around. I wondered if they would ever come back for me, or if they would head off to join the Sea Gypsies who had anchored on the outskirts. Luckily, they did come back, but not before snagging Reed.
There's a dinghy dock right on the left.
It had been a month of sailing through the sea with Chris, Peter, and Reed. When I shared this with our friend Quincy, she responded with, "It's like you're windy and they're your lost boys," which was a sweet and funny sentiment that stuck like glue. And apparently, I wasn't done adding lost boys to the club.
We're going to Loreto, Baja California, sir. Pick up a friend at the airport. 6 nautical miles from here, and we're gonna motor over to Flat Palm. It's a beautiful day out.
That's right. We became stowaways aboard Kessel for the day to hitch a ride over to Loreto, where we would replenish our food stocks and pick up Peter's friend Steven. It was a lovely motor across, soaking up our time on someone else's boat for a change. And of course, stoking my bowsprit envy. Once anchored outside of Loreto, we loaded up all of our trash, grabbed our backpacks, and made our way to shore.
Where are we headed?
That way.
Where are we?
We do this when the engine isn't on.
Headed to the Loreto Harbor. The Loreto Harbor.
Yeah, Loreto Harbor.
Loreto was the first Spanish colonial settlement of the Viceroyalty of New Spain on the Baja California Peninsula. The town was founded in 1697 by Jesuit missionaries who found a steady spring of fresh water on this site. The Jesuits were expelled in 1767 and control of the Baja California missions was given to the Franciscans, but you'll learn more about that in a later episode. The town served as the capital of the province of Las Californias from its founding until the capital was moved to Monterey, California on February 3, 1777. Today, the city is a tourist resort catering mostly to American travelers, with daily flights from California to Loreto International Airport. Many American tourists enjoy fishing in pongas for dorado, and local restaurants willingly prepare their daily catch. Loreto has a museum that coexists alongside the historic but still active parish, and the seaside town has an active sister city relationship with the California cities of Hermosa Beach, Cerritos, and Ventura. No wonder why we loved it so much.
Go help that dude, man.
With Steven in tow, we stopped for lunch at Peter's favorite place, where I had the best chicken mole in the world. It was so good, we bought mole salsa to go and carefully carried it around in our backpacks while we continued with the rest of our shopping. With a bunch of groceries, we returned to the dock where Jabba was tied up waiting for us. We were hassled by the municipality to pay a dinghy fee, but once paid up, we motored out to Kessel and I got to work stowing Peter's groceries. It was his first year single-handing his vessel, and I realized I needed to teach him a few things about storing produce to increase longevity. So while I did that below deck, the Lost Boys kept us on course.
We got Kessel and Avocet all nestled up next to each other. Very pretty.
Thank you. Oh, I would love a coconut water. No coconut water for you. They're digging it. They're digging in.
It's actually fun with wind, isn't it?
Oh, pretty sweet. Felt like we were about to tip over a couple times.
Go get a race going.
I know, right?
I woke up on the morning of February 7th to the most beautiful red sky that painted the nearby mountain range in hues of pinks and purples. However, as pretty as it was, the old tale, red skies in morning, sailors take warning, rang true as we got blasted with some serious wind just as I finished washing and hanging our laundry. As much fun as it was to raft up with Peter, the wind picked up. It's blowing consistent 20 now, so we disembarked, pushed him off. He's anchoring in front of us, and yeah, it was a little hectic there. Did not expect the wind to come in so quickly. We did wake up with red skies this morning, so there were some telltales that we were going to get some weather. We got freaking whales in the anchorage. Oh my goodness, hang on. Oh, they're right there, they're right there.
We are getting out of where we're at currently, not out of the anchorage, but we're going to go to the other side where we're a little bit more protected from a westerly. Got a pretty strong westerly popping on us right now. It's consistent 25, gusting into the 30s. We got like 5 feet of water in our queue, so we're just going to move. Go ahead, we're at Avocet.
You good?
I think he's going to pull too, but
Chris and Peter acted fast to disconnect our boats as Kessel quickly blew away from us with the wind. We pulled our hook and made our way to the south side of the anchorage where there was deeper water to wait out the blow before catching the next southerly to a better protected anchorage where Chris spent his 26th birthday. You definitely won't want to miss that episode. It might be our best yet. You can be the judge though, because it's next on Sailing Avocet.
Excesso, excesso, excesso!
It's your birthday!
I want to do it! Oh, God.